Bonjour. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Learn French Together. Today we are covering something essential for learning French accent. Those little marks above or below letters. They play a really important role in the language. Understanding them is key to speaking and reading French correctly. They change how words sound and even what they mean. They are essential for getting French pronunciation and spelling just right. Did you know there are 5 French accents? Today, I'm going to walk you through the first one. In my upcoming videos, I will cover each accent one by one. For each, I'll explain how it works, what it sounds like, and give you examples so you can hear the difference and practice. Let's get started with the first French accent. The first one that we are going to learn about, accent aigu. We are going to talk about a little mark that makes all the difference in the French language. The accent that goes up to the right. In English is known as the acute accent. It's the little line that you see here above the letter E. The accent aigu is only used on vowels and only used on the letter E in French and not on any other letters. It changes the pronunciation of to sound like eh, as in the English word say. When you see this accent, it changes the sound of the letter. Let's take a look at some examples. The first, we have école, which means school. Étudiant, it means student. The next word we have écouter, it means listen. Chanter, it means sang. The next word we have bébé, that means baby. The next one, été, it means summer. Café, it means coffee shop. The next one we have épice, it means spice. The next word we have poésie, it means poetry. The 10th one is téléphone, it means telephone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.